Dogs at Work, written by Keith and Sarah Cordemartin. Focus question: how can dogs help people? Introduction. You probably know that some dogs aren't just pets. They hold jobs. Dogs learn fast. They also hear and smell better than we do. This means dogs can do jobs that people can't. Service and therapy dogs. Many dogs work with people to help them feel better. These dogs are called therapy dogs. Therapy dogs are trained to comfort people and keep them calm. Other dogs help people with disabilities. These dogs are called service dogs. Some of these dogs help people who can't see or hear well. Other dogs pick up dropped items and pull wheelchairs. Tennille the guide dog. A service dog named Tennille helped her owner hike. Tennille was the first service dog trained to do this. Her owner, Trevor Thomas, is blind. Tennille helped Thomas step over large rocks. Thomas hopes that he and Tennille can encourage other blind people to hike too. Some service dogs can smell when their owner is about to be sick. They warn their owner to take medicine. Search and rescue dogs. Some dogs look for people who are lost. They are called search and rescue dogs. Many search and rescue dogs use their nose to find people who need help. Some of these dogs sniff the ground to find people. Other dogs sniff the air. These dogs can find lost hikers. They can also find people trapped in buildings that have fallen down. Some search and rescue dogs work in the water. Water rescue dogs can pull people to safety. They need to be strong swimmers. For this reason, big, strong dogs like the Newfoundland make good water rescue dogs. A 68-kilogram, 150-pound Newfoundland can pull 10 people to safety at once. Odd jobs. Dogs are good learners, and they can do very odd jobs. For example, one dog worked at an airport in Michigan. He chased wild birds out of the path of planes. Another group of dogs had an odd job at a baseball park near the ocean in California. These dogs jumped into the ocean to get balls that were hit into the water. The program is now over, but for a time, baseball fans loved to collect these splash hit balls. Detection dogs. Some dogs use their nose to find things that are hidden. They are called detection dogs. Police use detection dogs to find criminals. Police also use these dogs after a building burns down. It may be hard to find out whether someone set the fire on purpose. The dogs sniff for chemicals that might have been used to start the fire. Detection dogs don't just work in the world of crime. Some of these dogs search for termites in houses and other buildings. Termites ruin buildings by eating wood. They are hard for humans to find, but dogs can sniff them out. Conclusion. From finding termites to pulling wheelchairs, dogs help us in many ways. Dogs are strong, smart, and friendly, and they have powerful senses. They are some of the best workers around. Connections. Writing. Write a story about a dog that helps someone in your community. Share your story with your class. Science. Compare two dogs from the book. Organize your ideas using a Venn diagram.